Start by laying all the pieces out needed for the assembly of the vehicle. Next, remove the secured axle from the bottom of the vehicle. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Remove tape from drive motors. Next, remove the cotter pins from the lower risers of the vehicle. After that, go ahead and slide the axle through the drive motor, the lower riser bars, and the shocks. Now place the cotter pins back through the riser bars and through the hole in the axle on each side to secure it. Install the front steering rack assembly and then secure the 8 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Slide the washer and then cotter pin onto the steering rod to secure it. For the rear wheels, start by sliding on the rear wheel onto the drive motor, then followed by a washer, and then install a cotter pin. For the front wheels, simply install a washer, followed by the wheel, and then another washer on the outside, and then the cotter pin to secure it. Plug in the remaining battery lead. Plug in the steering wheel wire, and then simply tuck the wire away into the steering wheel housing. Last, simply snap the steering wheel into place. Snap the seat into place, and then install 2 Phillips screws on each side. Snap the windshield into place. Gather the parts needed for the gear shifter assembly. Take the larger gear shifter piece and place onto the gear shifter fitting. Secure with a Phillips screw. Place on the top piece and secure with another small Phillips screw. After that, simply click in the cover piece over the screw. Secure the rear decorative metal bar with 2 Phillips screws. Snap the side roll bars into place on each side. Slide the light bar into place and then secure with a Phillips screw on each side. For the side mirrors, simply snap them into place securely. For the front fog lights, snap them into place. Snap the hubcaps into place on each wheel. To pair the remote for the vehicle, power the vehicle on and then simply hold the pair button down for about 10 seconds. Test the steering function and drive feature.